the bottom of it off somehow, and then I thought this looked cool, so I'm just gonna keep running it until I get yelled at.
I'm gonna use some blue pants now.
Hey, put the camera down. What?
You excited to race Hayden this weekend?
Yeah, it's gonna be good. I'm excited to get a couple more days on the bike now. Obviously, I had a big crash, so yeah, it's gonna be good. Get some laps in and throw down for the East West. You know, maybe help Hayden out. Maybe he can help me out, dude. It's weird. Like when I go ride now, I don't have to like show off for a girl anymore because I have one. Just kidding. You know what's actually kind of funny though? I was like gassing up the 511 and I like ended up with the 6-foot brunette.
She's taller than you?
Huh?
She's taller than you?
Nah, she's the same height.
Oh.
We're both 6 foot. I'm just kidding. I'm back with you know who. Just kidding.
What?
Yeah, just delete that.
Hey, can we get a hair check? Wow.
Wow.
Right now we're like only a week and a half in, so I'm not surprised at how fast it's growing, but I think I'm gonna need like a hair tie in a couple weeks.
So, week going into Indy, first East West shootout of the year.
Oh, it's good. We have, you know, we train with these guys all the time and we know who's where, so it's good. We get to like go race head to head this weekend. I don't really think it's more competitive than normal this week, but I think everyone wants to be the top dog, so it'll be exciting to see how this week of training goes. Good weather today. Yeah, we're in a good spot.
Yeah, it's windy, bro.
That on off.
Woo, bro. Calling off is sweat.
Oh, a yacht. Dude, it's moving right now.
All right, that wraps up another day at the farm. Just getting ready for Indy this weekend. East West Shootout should be a good one. West Coast series is really exciting this year with all the Triple Crowns and the East West Shootouts. There's just a lot of really intense racing, which is really good. Hayden, I think, responds really good to pressure and intensity. So I think going West Coast has been a good choice. It's sweet. We're gonna have all 3 red plates again this weekend. Excited to get to the Midwest and get back to racing. And we're in a domed stadium, so we don't have to worry about weather. Even if it's cold outside, it's gonna be nice and the track's gonna be great.
All right, boys. The bored out Yamaha. This thing like a low rider. This thing bars are high. We need to lower the bars a little bit. All right, we got like pipe, motor, suspension, black rims, bars. I think forks, maybe, or forks or springs in them. Swing arm, Dunlops, grips, graphics. Thanks to Yamaha for hooking up with the pit bike and BBR hooking this build up with all these parts. Let's go tear this thing up.
First start.
Alright, dude, this thing rips. This thing's so fast with the bore kit. What is that? 800 CM2? What is that, chemistry?
Yes, science!
That was sick.
I hit a pause. Alright, it was a good day. We got the new Yamaha pit bike. It was pretty sweet. Got that bore kit in it. Hit our pit bike track, and now we're gonna go to Haley's race in a little bit. So stay tuned. That's a wrap.